We know black holes as a dark abyss from which even light cannot escape. Throughout the years, there have been many speculations as to the nature of these space voids. Our space agencies have been successful in spotting black holes, and it's because of our advanced space telescopes that we have a clear idea of what they look like visually. But now, according to the recently released NASA video, we know what they sound like as well. So, for the first time ever, get ready to hear what a black hole truly sounds like.